Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you job opportunities, like very new job opportunities. These job opportunities are new, so fresh, they were just posted. So I'm just bringing it to you so you can be among the first to apply for these jobs, okay? And these jobs have visa sponsorship, they have relocation package, some have accommodation, some are going to pay for your flight. It's really amazing, and they are in different occupations. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you many jobs in this video in different occupations, so you may want to watch to the end so you can see the opportunities I'll be sharing in this video. If you're just meeting, my name is Jackie. You're welcome to the channel. Do subscribe so you can be seeing more videos like this, and also give this video a like, that is a thumbs up, so this video can reach people that really need this information, and also share the video with others. I want to thank everyone that shares my videos. When I talk to some people, they tell me, oh, someone shared your video with me, my sister, my uncle, a friend. I'm always so proud of my subscribers because you guys share my videos a lot. Thank you so much for that. And do continue sharing the video so we can help as many people as possible. And if you want to talk to me privately, you can do so by sending me an email, and we can talk about your personal needs as regards your relocation goals. All right, so let me show you these jobs real quick. All right, so these are fresh jobs in Canada at the moment. All the jobs in this video were posted today, March 28, 2023. So I always try to bring you new jobs so you can be among the first people to apply for the jobs. So this is for a landscape laborer, and this is 10 vacancies. Like, this is massive recruitment. They're looking for 10 people to fill this role, landscape laborer, and hourly rate is $19, and you'll be required to work for 32 hours per week. So for this job, they don't need degree, no degree is needed, no certificate, and no diploma. And even when it has to do with experience, they are not so measuring it. They say that they will train. They will train. All right. So you're going to be working in various locations and doing landscape maintenance. This is the task for the job, and these are the work conditions, right? Okay, so if you want to apply for this, then you send your CV to this email address, jobs.rockland12@gmail.com. That is the email where you'll be sending your application to. Next up here is a long haul truck driver. So truck drivers are so many in my inbox. So this is one job you can apply for if you qualify. So they're looking for 5 vacancies for this. 5 people are going to be hired as a long haul truck driver. And this is the hourly rate, $28.85. And secondary school graduation certificate is what they're looking for. And they say experience is an asset. So if you have experience, you stand a greater chance. And what they're looking for, they need some credentials, certificates, licenses, memberships, and courses. So you need the Air Brake Z endorsement and driver's license class 1 or A. Okay, so I spoke with someone who wants to migrate as a truck driver the other day, and I gave him, the requirements, what he needs to get the certifications, and how to apply, and all of that. So many people, it's surprising, want to migrate as truck drivers, and they are really needed. I did a video the other day on how truck drivers are needed in New Zealand. You need to watch it and apply. So, so many opportunities for truck drivers out there, so many of them. So if you want to apply for this, then do send your application to this email address over here, right? That's the email address where you're going to send your application to. All right, so next up, administrative assistant. This is another good one. Administrative assistant. They need secondary school certificate and 1 year experience. So these are the tasks for this. And for specialization or skills, what you need is computer and technology knowledge of Microsoft Office and Microsoft Word is what they've written here. And then you need to be able to work in a fast-paced environment, and you need to have attention to detail. You need to be organized and a team player. So if you want to apply, send your application to this email address, right? Send your application here. gladiatortrucking01@gmail.com. That's where your application should go. So next up here is a bookkeeper. Bookkeeper, you were needed. If you're a bookkeeper, then apply for this. Secondary school graduation certificate is what they said they need. And experience 2 years. So these are your tasks and responsibilities and every other detail of the job. So if you're a bookkeeper, send in your application to this email address. Send in your application to gladiatortrucking01@gmail.com. Next up, diesel mechanic. 2 vacancies for this, and it's $40 an hour. And you're going to be working for 32 hours per week. Education, secondary school is needed. And for work experience, they're looking for 3 years work experience. And you're going to be working in various locations. So these are the responsibilities and every other thing you need to know about the job. And if you want to apply, same email address, gladiatortrucking01@gmail.com. So ensure you send your CV and your cover letter with your application. So now you're going to be sending, an email application, right? What you're going to do is you attach your CV and then the body of the email will be your cover letter. Don't attach CV and attach cover letter as well. The body of the email is your cover letter since you're sending it as an email application. All right, next up, sales supervisor. $18 per week and no degree, no certificate, no diploma, and experience 7 months. So these are the roles and responsibilities. You're going to be supervising 5 to 10 people. And the people you'll be supervising are retail salespersons and sales clerks. You'll be working in a fast-paced environment, work under pressure, handling heavy loads, working, attention to detail, standing for extended periods. So that is kind of work you're going to be doing. So send your application to this email address right here, right? markhead2m@gmail.com. All right, next up, barber. Yeah, so hairdressers, I always point it out, hairdressers are like needed. So this one is for a barber and 5 vacancies. So they need like 5 people to fill this position. Salary is $19 per hour. Secondary school certificate is what is needed here. Okay, so responsibilities are this. And you'll be supervising 1 to 2 people. So if you want to apply for this position of a barber, these are the details. You can apply on Job Bank, that is on this page. So the links to all these jobs, I'll post them in my Telegram channel. Or you copy this out, jobbank.gc.ca/job search/job posting, and all of that. But if you just go to jobbank.gc.ca/job search, you can search for this role. Just search for a barber. Any role you want to apply for that I've shown on this video, just go to jobbank.gc.ca/job search and type in the role you're looking for. You're going to see it. Or you just look at all of them. I mean, this was just posted now, so it's going to be on top of the page. So it's quite easy. Actually, you don't even need to get the link in my Telegram channel. That is how you can find it. Okay, email, this is it. And these are instructions. You're going to send job reference letter, cover letter, letter of recommendation, and all of that. Someone asked me the other day in my email, how did they get letter of recommendation? This is from your previous employer. A letter of recommendation, someone recommending you, is from your previous employer. All right. Next up, cleaner, heavy duty. These are the details of the job. Yeah. And then the email address where you'll be sending your application, hrconceptplastics@gmail.com. hr.conceptplastics@gmail.com. Next up, plasterer helper. You need to be bilingual. Just see the details they have for this. And if you want to apply, you also have instructions for how to apply here. And that is it. That's all I'm going to be sharing in this video. I'll do more videos to show you more jobs as they post them. So just trust me to be bringing you like the latest job opportunities in Canada. Okay, so that's all for this video. I'm going to be sharing more videos to show you more job opportunities as they come up. So I'll be doing my research to show you the best possible jobs out there that have visa sponsorship. So do give this video a like, that is a thumbs up, and also share it with others so they can take advantage of these job opportunities as well. And do subscribe to the channel if you've not done that already. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jackie, and I will see you in my next video.